Ayan. Ang sponge, ang sponge ko sa doon mo na baba, tanda na put it aside there. Put aside there, oh. Yes. Slowly lang water, hindi ka naman yan. That's all, oh. Pag naman talaga ni Beba ko. Ay! Okay. Okay na yan. Put it here. Pag naman ni Yasa. Sipag. Ano? Face niya. Sipag talaga. Dab. Madali ka tayo. Sorry, sige na. Dali. Good head. Wait lang ka na dress. Put it here. Ang linis! OMG! Ang galing-galing naman mag-wash! Oh my gosh! Dry your hands! Dry your hands! I said dry your hands. I think. Ang galing naman! Dry. Sige, dry mo. Sige, this one, dry mo with this. Use this one. Put aside the foam here. Put aside the foam. Oh, galing naman. Then after this, I'm gonna dry for you. Dahil gonna dry for you because you're so good. Ang galing. Daddy outside. Waiting. Ang galing. I'm so proud of you. Come, sige. Come on, put aside the sponge. Come on. And you're going to dry the plate and the glass. Okay, put aside the sponge. Grabe sipag naman ni Baba. Grabe talaga. Nakakatuwa. Okay, enough. Sige na, put aside the sponge here. Put aside. Come on. Put aside the sponge. Come on, go. Okay, and then, okay na? Alright. And there's some soup. Pwede mo ba this one pa? And put some water muna. Yan. Then put this one, soap. That's right. And then throw this one. And then, yes. Soap it. Yes.
And then, Ate M, what?
Who do you want to help?
Ate M.
Si Ate M mo. Mag-help ka mag-wash ka, Ate M.
Ate M.
Maida?
Is it?
You wanna go there?
Ate M.
Okay, sige.
Ate M.
Ate M, Jasa will help you to wash the dishes.
Doon mo dab.
Rinse. Di soup na pa soup. Off naman, off water. Yan. Soap the glass. Yeah. Okay na, Baba. Put it here. Next. Yes. Next, this one. Soap pa talaga. Galing naman ni Cha sa mag-wash. Talagang ang linis-linis. Vectoro naman talaga mag-work. You know, work in restaurant? Washer. Do you want to work in the restaurant?
Kambo.
Yeah. Do you want? Because you can apply, the washer in the kitchen, restaurant. You want to work there? Ano?
No.
Yes or no?
Ate Nora.
Read natin na lang.
Hindi pa. Hindi, ito.
Grade 8. Sige na, okay na yan. Grabe. Super talaga. Tita. Okay na. Basta.